This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility now, age, region, and minimum rank. Gather required items, ID photos, match screenshots, a clear team roster, and any registration fee. Once done, create or update the team account and link an email and social handles for verification. Submit preliminary screenshots and proof of rank so organizers can pre-approve you. Make sure to note deadlines and time zones. Missing one window destroys momentum. Move quickly. Early completeness avoids delays and shows professionalism. You now complete the main registration form with exact names, in-game ID, and contact details. Attach required files and double-check fields. Organizers reject mistakes. Once registered, confirm tournament rules, map pool and schedule, plan practice sessions, and assign roles. Leader, support, fragger. Practice with the exact settings used in tournament. Simulate match conditions to build timing. Also test equipment and internet stability. Aim for 50 Mbps or better, and prepare a backup device. This step you finish by submitting final materials and saving the confirmation ID or receipt. Attend official check-in and run a warm-up match. Be online at least 30 minutes early to resolve last-minute issues. Once matches are scheduled, keep clear communication with teammates and organizers. If your application is denied, read the rejection reason carefully, correct the exact issue, whether document, rank, or payment, and appeal or reapply promptly. A common fix is resubmitting a clearer ID photo. Make that change and follow up quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.